हाँ तो ताला तोड़ के जो है दे दीजिए, गोडाउन माल समेत चला जाएगा। फिर सेटलमेंट अगर करनी है तो बैंक पे जाके सेटल करिए।
सर उसके लिए भी सेटलमेंट करने के लिए तैयार है, क्योंकि सर ये प्रॉपर्टी दो दे हैव ऑक्शन सेल सर्टिफिकेट इशू हो गया है, रजिस्ट्री नहीं होगी बिकॉज खसरा एंट्रीज
दैट इज देयर
तो
आउट,
देखेंगे,
हाँ
दैट इज देयर आउटलुक।
अल्टीमेटली गवर्नमेट लैंड है,
Sir,
in that case they have
उसके-
committed the fraud, my lord.
नहीं, नॉट कमिटेड फ्रॉड सर।
Yes, yes.
सर
You are
इन्होंने
saying so.
करवाई थी सर।
अरे नहीं।
सर आई एम वेरी सर, अगर ये फ्रॉड की बात करें सर्च तो इन्होंने करवाई थी ना, देयर ओन बैंक ऑफिसर हैज वांट टू डिस्प्यूट ऑल दोस फैक्ट्स सो फार एज बोथ द वन प्रॉपर्टी इज कंसर्न्ड। आई एम रेडी टू दैट रेजिडेंशियल हाउस। सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी में सर ट्रैप कर तो कोशिश तो करें सर।
या
सर हम जाते हैं, अगर वो जो ऑक्शन परचेजर आता है, इफ ही वांट्स कि सर मुझे मेरा पैसा अलॉन्ग विद एप्रोप्रिएट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वापस कर दे, क्योंकि सेल 1.5 साल से नहीं हुई है, तो आई एम रेडी टू गिव दैट अमाउंट ऑल्सो।
व्हाट हैज हैपेंड?
Bank has alienated one of the property and only sale certificate has been issued. Not that sir,
ऑक्शन टेकन प्लेस,
Yes, yes.
एक sir,
व्हाट रिमेन नाउ?
अभी भी वो चीज बता रहा
That
हूं।
is
There
why
are
we put them to-
two property. One is my residential house of 700 square feet and one is go down of it measuring 900 square feet.
Which one have they sold?
Go down. सर लेकिन उसमें भी फ्लॉ है कि उसमें रजिस्ट्री नहीं हुई है, और रजिस्ट्री हो भी नहीं सकती हो कि जो रिकॉर्ड है तहसीलदार रिकॉर्ड इज म्यूटेड इन द नेम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट। अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई डोंट नो व्हाई दिस हैज बीन।
तो आपने
सर
मॉर्गेज
सर
कैसे
तो
करी?
मैं मेरी गुजारिश ये है,
आपने मॉर्गेज कैसे करी फिर?
नहीं सर वो अभी हुआ है, जस्ट नाउ गॉट द खसरा एंट्रीज इन विच स्टेज का आ रहा है, इस कारण से ये 2 साल से रजिस्ट्री भी नहीं करवा पा रहे हैं। जो खरीदी है वो आई नो दैट फेलो, तो सर आई एम रेडी टू डिपॉजिट उसका जो अमाउंट है अलॉन्ग विद इंटरेस्ट। एक आइडेंटिकल ऑर्डर कोर्ट ने किया हुआ है
See,
जी।
this procedure is not permissible under SARFAESI Act, but it is certainly permissible under Order 23 Rule 3 CPC.
मान
You approach the bank, you both settle, we have no difficulty.
इफ बैंक इज रेडी वो सो
In
फार
between both of you, if you are able to settle,
आई
there's
विल
no
डेफिनेटली
difficulty. But if you
अप्रोच।
ask for an order from us, we won't be able to
So
give
far
you
as
that.
so far as second property is concerned, which is my possession of, I'm ready to settle that property also.
Settle whatever the loan of the bank. You can't say I will settle part of it.
सर ये पोजीशन
only-
पर्सनल है, विद इन 30 days आई विल अप्रोच। और सर वो जो सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी है दैट रेजिडेंशियल हाउस व्हिच इज इन माय पोजीशन ऑफ 700 odd square feet, आई एम रेडी टू पे। ऑलरेडी आई हैव पेड अराउंड 10
How
lakh
much was
rupees,
the loan amount?
37 odd lakh rupees वो उसमें है।
So how much have they recovered from?
सर
the auction?
ये एक प्रॉपर्टी बेच के 14 odd lakh rupees वो रिकवर कर लिए हैं, 10 मैंने जमा भी कर दिए सर। 8.5 लाख रुपए इन कंप्लायंस ऑफ द ऑर्डर पास बाय DRT, एंड प्रायर टू दैट 1.5 lakh rupees। माय पार्टी इज वेरी मच हियर।
So total outstanding as of now, my lord, inclusive of interest, it is around 43 lakhs 4,564.
सर 14 में
After,
तो
just a minute,
जी
after appropriation of the sale proceeds and even the deposit which he has made, my lord. Section 18.
Mr. Chaturvedi,
जी,
we have indicated to him, if he
Yes.
wants an adjudication,
Ah.
he'll have to go to DRT.
DRT, they have
If he
already
wants to-
DRT, my lord,
If
because,
he wants to settle with you,
yes.
he's
That's
free
what
to
I-
approach the bank for a settlement.
दैट व्हाट आई हैव ऑलरेडी
Go to the bank, settle with them, pay their amount. If they release it, they release it.
certainly your lordship 30
But
days
before
time
us, no relief, go to DRT.
sir, I go down with that।
Then
30 days time may be granted।
My lord, here interest,
बोलिए
third
तो-
party interest has been
सर
created.
अभी
Now
बस
sale
amount पे
certificate
नहीं आया,
has
अभी तो मैंने अमाउंट पे सर
third party interest,
already been created. Sale
सर
certificate.
there are two property सर, एक प्रॉपर्टी पे हुआ है।
हाँ, in this- वही बता रहा हूँ।
insofar as Godown is concerned, he is conceding. He says you take it.
That's what I
बेच लिया third
My
party
lord-
को sale certificate issue कर दीजिए.
My lord, this is what they are, in fact, this property, so far as this, your lordship may kindly have annexure P1, page number 11. The property described at property number 2 that has been sold, that too on 28/7/23. And we are supposed to hand over the possession to the auction purchaser, my lord, he is creating hindrance every time. Yes,
Sir,
there was
यहाँ का sale-
just a minute, just a minute.
सर
May
ये
I-
तो
There was an order in
you take
favor-
possession. You have possession.
Lord,
Possession ले चुके हैं आप.
नहीं लिया। ये बार बार तो ये था सर, इनके पास इंटरिम ऑर्डर था जिसमें डिपॉजिट का ऑर्डर था, दे डिफॉल्टेड इन मेकिंग द रीपेमेंट।
सेल सर्टिफिकेट देख लें, उसमें लिखा है कि पोजीशन उन्होंने ले लिया है सर।
सर
तो ठीक
सिंबॉलिक
है।
पोजीशन ली।
No, we will, no, 1 second, Mr. Chaturvedi. We will record a statement, possession is yours. Go and deliver possession.
My party is very much here।
हाँ तो ताला तोड़ के जो है दे दीजिए, गोडाउन माल समेत चला जाएगा फिर।
उसके मैं माल निकाल लूंगा ये।
हाँ तो
वो गोडाउन पे पोजीशन देता है, घर बच जाएगा।
सेटलमेंट अगर करनी है तो बैंक पे जाके सेटल करिए।
सर उसके लिए भी सेटलमेंट करने के लिए तैयार है, क्योंकि सर ये प्रॉपर्टी दो दे हैव ऑक्शन सेल सर्टिफिकेट इशू हो गया, रजिस्ट्री नहीं होगी बिकॉज खसरा एंट्रीज
दैट इज देयर
तो
आउट,
देखेंगे।
हाँ
दैट इज देयर आउटलुक।
Ultimately, government lender,
Sir,
and in that case, they have
उसके-
committed the fraud, my lord.
नहीं, नॉट कमिटेड फ्रॉड सर।
Yes, yes.
सर
You are
इन्होंने
saying so.
करवाई थी सर।
अरे नहीं।
सर आई एम वेरी सर, अगर ये फ्रॉड की बात करें, सर्च तो इन्होंने करवाई थी ना, देयर ओन बैंक ऑफिसर है इसका सर्च दैट प्रॉपर्टी। सर अभी क्या हुआ कि रीनंबरिंग खसरे होते हैं, तो उस कारण से सरकार में दर्ज हो गई सर, एंड अभी खसरे में सर, रिसेंटली खसरे में तो सर्च इन्होंने करवाई है। सर्च में इन्होंने क्या
उस समय तो नहीं
सर
छुट्टी हो गई, अब तो कैसे हो गई?
दिस आई डोंट
That's what I'm saying, my lord. He has not complied with the order.
don't want to dispute all those facts. So far as both the one property is concerned, I'm ready to that residential house. Second property में सर ट्राई कर तो कोशिश तो करे सर।
या
सर हम जाते हैं, अगर वो जो ऑक्शन परचेजर आता है, इफ ही वांट्स कि सर मुझे मेरा पैसा अलॉन्ग विद एप्रोप्रिएट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वापस कर दे, क्योंकि सेल 1.5 साल से नहीं हुई है, तो आई एम रेडी टू गिव दैट अमाउंट आल्सो। I'm
not understood your offer. Insofar as godown is concerned, you are saying it's been sold, let them transfer it.
having the recent
Or the godown or the house?
नहीं, गोडाउन हैज
गोडाउन तो ऑक्शन कर दिया,
जी।
तो आप कह रहे हैं गोडाउन ले जाएं, जिसको देना है दे दें, हम अपना सामान निकाल लेते हैं। That's
Sir,
what you're saying.
ये इट्स दूसरा मेरे पास में आया है मल्टीपल ऑप्शन सर, जो ऑप्शन किया है उन्होंने
All
प्रॉपर्टी।
these options will be before DRT. We had issued notice only on the understanding that you wanted to settle with them.
आई एम रेडी
Beyond that, you know the view that this court has taken.
certainly your
You
lordship.
have to go to DRT.
Sir, I am ready to settle both the properties.
Go to them, request them. We are not going to direct any stay or anything.
तो सर वो तो ये
The only-
तो देखिए सेटल करने के लिए तैयार है, तो
अरे हम कैसे बोले, हमारे को भी अथॉरिटी नहीं है सर, इट इज
हम
अप टू
सर-
द हायर अथॉरिटीज ऑफ द
Sir,
बैंक।
sir-
देयर इज अ प्रोसीजर प्रिस्क्राइब्ड,
तो आई एम अप्रोच ईच एंड एवरी
वन
अथॉरिटी।
फाइन मॉर्निंग दे विल मेक रिक्वेस्ट, हाउ आई कैन से।
Go to DRT. They have the power to permit whatever relief you want.
Sir, so far as my residential house is concerned, it's a 700 square feet order.
You
I'm
see,
ready to settle.
all these arguments and all these pleas, one has to think before keeping the property as mortgaged. Why did you keep your residential house as mortgage if you were in difficulty? कि खाली नहीं करेंगे जी, घर हमारा है, तो गिरवी क्यों रखा था? ना रखते उस समय, ना लेते लोन। लोन लेने के टाइम तो जी जो बोलेंगे दे देंगे, अब जब उनका पैसा वापस देने की बात है तब घर नहीं देंगे जी, हमारा रेजिडेंशियल हाउस है। That we are
एक
not.
बोनाफाइड देखे सर कि 10 लाख रुपए जमा कर दिए सर इन
Don't
कंप्लायंस।
give us any offer.
नहीं, आई एम नॉट गिविंग एनी ऑफर, आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग द बैंक
Approach
सर, लेट्स
the
सो
bank.
फार एज रेसिडेंशियल हाउस इज कंसर्न्ड, आई एम रेडी टू सेटल दैट।
You see, the offer should be, insofar as the godown is concerned, मैं 2 दिन में 4 दिन में अपना सामान निकाल लूंगा, आप गोडाउन को ले लीजिए, कर लीजिए। घर का है, I'll approach you. That is the only thing, and we'll dispose it off with that understanding, no stay.
बताइए ना।
नहीं तो आप जाइए DRT में ट्राई करिए।
वो ऑलरेडी पेंडिंग है सर ऐसे।
ऐसे
Against
already
interim
pending
order,
है।
they have come before your lordship, and I am raising the objection that
Oh, that's right. This is the order.
yes, against the interim order. And the
Non-compliance of that
DRT
order.
granted them a stay, my lord. But they failed to deposit the amount. They moved up application for extension that was filed subsequent after expiration of the period stipulated in the order, my lord, and everything. Sales certificate has been issued. We are supposed to give him
Not denying
possession,
all
everything.
those things, your lordship. And I'm not
And auction
denying.
is under challenge.
Sir,
So what relief are you seeking from us?
I'm just want ki my residential house, I will ready to approach before the
DRT.
bank for the
DRT, we are not
My
granting
lord.
stay.
because I will lose my residential. I'm ready to hand over the godown portion is concerned.
You see, we have consistently held this court in SARFAESI matters will not interfere.
Certainly.
You want to go to DRT, approach the DRT. Normally, when people come before us, extension of time of DRT order, if no third-party rights are created, we extend. If third-party rights are created, then we can't help it.
Residential house property.
DRT, not here,
So I
or the
already,
bank.
already approached before the DRT. Interim
Bank.
order has been passed. Subsequently, I didn't comply the part portion. Only 1.5 lakh rupees.
No,
Sir,
for the residential house, was there a protection order?
both.
Subject to deposit of how much amount?
10 lakh rupees, and I have deposited 8.5 lakh rupees.
6.50 lakhs they have deposited. They defaulted the remaining amount they have not deposited, my lord. And subsequently, they filed application for this extension of time, that too after expiration of time stipulated in the order.
वो
That
मैंने
has come in the order.
P5 लगा के रखा है, उसमें 8.5 लाख रुपए डिपॉजिट
हाँ, तो
DRT के ऑर्डर के बाद।
उसमें 2.5 लाख रुपए जिनने बाद में बात की।
वो तो सर कुछ 10 दिन बाद जमा किए।
हाँ।
So how much have you deposited?
I had deposited 8.5 lakh rupees after the order of DRT.
DRT said 10 lakhs.
10 lakh, 8.5
That was for both the properties.
for both the properties.
You
Six.
deposited 8.5.
8.5.
सर इसमें मैं थोड़ा क्लियर
मैं एक उसमें बता दे रहा हूँ कि मैंने जो 2.5 लाख रुपए है वो जो 2 महीने का समय था उसके 10 दिन बाद मैंने जमा किए थे, वो एनेक्सर P5 में मैंने लगा के रखा है सर.
in compliance, so far as compliance is concerned, 6.30 up to the cutoff date.
No.
8.5. 8.5.
Yes,
P5.
2
Yes,
lakhs has been deposited on 21/3/24. no? Whereas the cutoff date was up to 15/3/24
10 दिन बाद.
और उसमें भी इनने कुल मिला के
Original date for 10 lakhs?
Original that should I have to deposit within a period of 2 months. That order is page number 34, your lordship. ये
15/3
March 2024.
yes no.
So 1 year period is
15
Yes,
2024 तक जमा करने थे सर, जो मैंने 15 दिन का एक मोहलत हो.
अब 1 साल और बढ़ गया. How much more will you deposit? How much is the loan amount? How much is the
34,
balance? 47 is the
34,
balance.
34 पेज नंबर 34 में देखिए सर ऊपर.
43 is balance as per that.
नहीं, लोन अमाउंट 34 जो 13(2) का नोटिस दिया डिमांड.
49 lakhs.
सर ये मैं ऊपर पढ़ देता हूँ 34 पेज नंबर पे.
हाँ वो तो हमने उस समय की थोड़ी आउटस्टैंडिंग बताई.
नहीं, आप उसमें
सर,
मैं पूरा पढ़ देता हूँ सर, मैं एक में पढ़ देता हूँ. आवेदक पक्ष की ओर से दी जानकारी प्रकाश में
जैसे what
हाँ
we-
देनदारी शेष है.
सर ये
मान
लोन
लिया सर.
मैं बताऊं.
what we are going to do is,
मालूम.
insofar as godown is concerned, hand over possession of the godown, they can deal with the godown as they want to. Since residential house has not been auctioned as yet, subject to further orders to be passed by DRT, and on your depositing an enhanced amount now of 15 lakhs. 10 by DRT, 8.5 you deposited, add 5 more to it, the DRT will consider about the house.
Presence of
Sir, my concern, man, your lordship, man, kindly, because of the institution is there, my lord, I can't, I have no authority to give consent.
Please explain to him, because we want his undertaking to be recorded.
नहीं, मैंने उनको समझा दिया.
आप समझा लो उसको
नहीं सर, वो
अच्छे
कर
से.
दे आप. नहीं सर,
6.5 लाख और जमा कराने, गोडाउन का कब्जा देना है.
6.5 लाख रुपए जमा कराना, गोडाउन में कब्जा देना.
तो आपका घर ऑक्शन अभी नहीं होगा, वो डीआरटी जो उस पर कार्रवाई करेगा करेगा. ठीक है, कब तक जमा कराएंगे और कब तक कब्जा देंगे?
Possession,
पोजेशन नहीं लेंगे सर.
possession नहीं.
Possession का
They are praying for.
नो नो, बोथ थिंग. गोडाउन का कब्जा देना है और 6.5 लाख रुपए और जमा कराने हैं.
ठीक.
कब दोगे कब्जा गोडाउन का?
30 दिन. 30 days. 30 days. 30 days सर.
फिर इनका अमाउंट बढ़ जाएगा. बैंक की तो गाड़ी चल रही है.
तो सर
फाइनल सेटलमेंट
28/7/23 में ऑप्शन किए प्रॉपर्टी.
सर वो वही तो मैं बता रहा हूँ कि उसको भी सेटल कर लें, वो जो रजिस्ट्री नहीं कर
अरे
सकते.
भाई हम थर्ड
Well,
पार्टी.
that is their outlook. You don't be concerned about it. Vacate, hand over possession and deposit the money,
मालूम.
failing which the order of DRT comes into force.
मालूम.
Petitioner impugns order dated 20.3.2025, whereby the application of the petitioner seeking extension of time to comply with order dated 15/1/2024 has been dismissed by the DRT. By order dated 15/1/2024, the debts recovery, the petitioner had taken a loan from the respondent bank. The account of the petitioner became non-performing asset. Accordingly, the bank initiated proceedings under the securitization, etc., full form known as SARFAESI Act, pursuant to which the symbolic possession of the godown,
Properties secured.
taken a loan, so petitioner had secured the loan by providing security of a residential house and a godown. Since the account of the petitioner became a non-performing asset, the bank initiated proceedings under the SARFAESI Act and took symbolic possession of the godown. So we are informed that the godown has already been, symbolic possession of the godown Petitioner thereafter approached the Debts Recovery Tribunal and the subject order was passed. Directing petitioner, and order dated 15/1/2024 was passed, directing petitioner to deposit a sum of rupees 10 lakhs in 4 equal installments payable on 4 equal installments of 2,50,000 payable on 30.1.2024, 14,2.2024, 29/2/2024 and 15/3/2024. Petitioner deposited a sum of rupees 6.5 lakhs by
Annexure P5 is the
P5 is there by 29/2/24.
by 29/2/2024 instead of 7.5 lakhs. And thereafter petitioner is deposited another sum of rupees 2 lakhs on
on 21/3/24.
21/3/2025.
First installment was deposited on 30/1/24.
21/3/2024. Petitioner thus failed to comply with the said order. Thereafter, petitioner approached the Debt Recovery Tribunal for extension. No, thereafter, the respondents put the go down to auction. This was put after
No, prior to that, your lordship. Prior
Prior
to
to
this
that.
order, they have alienated that.
or before DRT का लिखा है ना जहाँ पे जहाँ लिखा symbolic possession and put the go down to auction.
My lord, in fact, the auction was scheduled on 6/10/2022 and this sale certificate has been issued on 28/7/23.
Put the property to auction and a sale certificate was issued on 28/7/2023.
Auction on 16/11/22.
Doesn't matter.
16/11.
Go approach the DRT where DRT passed this order. Petitioner admittedly failed to deposit the amount. Thereafter, petitioner approached the DRT for extension of time, which has been declined by order dated 20.3.2025. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that petitioner is willing to settle with the bank. However, without prejudice to the rights and contentions of the parties and subject to further orders to be passed by the Debt Recovery Tribunal, he submits that petitioner shall vacate and hand over the peaceful vacant possession of the godown to the bank on or before 15th May 2025, and thereafter the bank may hand over the possession to the auction purchaser and adjust the amount of sale consideration towards the loan account of the petitioner. He further states that petitioner shall pay a further sum of rupees 6.5 lakhs to the respondent bank on or before 15th May 2025. Full stop para. The undertaking of the petitioner, offer of the petitioner is keeping with the facts and circumstances of the case. The offer of the petitioner is accepted. Petitioner is directed to hand over the peaceful vacant possession of the godown to the bank on or before 15th May 2025 and deposit a further sum of rupees. Now, this is to be paid to the bank or to the DRT?
To the bank. Bank.
Deposit a further sum of rupees 6.5 lakhs with the over and above the 8.5 lakhs already deposited with the bank on or before 15th May 2024.
25.
In case petitioner complies with the above undertaking, the interim protection granted to the petitioner by order dated 15/1/2024 of the Debt Recovery Tribunal shall revive. In case petitioner fails to comply with either of the two conditions or both the conditions, the order dated 15/1/2024 shall be deemed to have been vacated without recourse to court and the Tehsildar and the respondent bank